good pear.
But
I want.
yeah, man.
Then what about them bigger one there?
Yeah, there.
Alright. $100 one.
Alright.
This is black pepper, yeah? Black pepper. Egg and bread and pear breakfast. Alright. Let's roll. Black pepper. Eggs. So you fry too? With the black pepper? Okay. These eggs on the shop, out at the shop. We don't eat these common fowl eggs, you know. People eat it. People eat it, but we don't eat it. We prefer this one, you know. This one. This one's a better one to eat, you know. Yeah, man. Now we fry it good, you know, man. Really get a good Pear fries. Yeah, man. That's fried eggs, you know. Not scrambled egg. Fried egg. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Coconut oil. Black pepper next. Yes, I just fat. Yeah, man. So you see, egg not so easy to fry. Now some people scramble the egg, but we Jamaican fry it. Yeah, man. Yeah. But one morning, I gonna scramble egg, and I gonna prepare something nice. You're gonna like that one, you know. Yeah, with tomato, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Some Rasta no eat fish, some no eat this, some no eat that. But you know, yeah, we don't joke, man. It's very skill, you know. Yeah, man. Look how it look beautiful, you know. Fried egg. People look and they see that is fried egg. Right. I go into something one of the morning. You're gonna love that one. But you will see what come up one of the morning, you see? Done. Done. Yeah, man. Perfect. What?
Good.
And good man. You don't know, you know.
Oh, yeah, fuck too much.
Pear go hungry for fry.
Sir.
Can't boil.
Nice
I like the boiled eggs. I like boiled eggs, man. You like boiled eggs too? You know, a lot of people can't prepare it like that, you know. They scramble them, you know. Mash them up. But me not mash them up. Me take care of them. See, you see when now people with that think it fry, you go like that, crip, and fucked up the business. But you have to wait until it's fry. You get a nice egg. Nice breakfast with black pepper. Yeah. Yeah, man. Good, real menu, brother.
Yeah, man.
Bush tea said speedy.
Ah.
One. Mint. Mint.
That's it? Just mints?
Yeah, man.
Nice.
One thing, one bush. One bush this morning. Yesterday, man, we drink 3 bush. Yeah. This is wicked, yeah? Yeah, man.
Nice.
Well, the toast easy for me, you know. Toast easy for me sometimes, you know. Yeah. Like that. Just like this. Simple. Yeah, man. That's how we work. Yeah, just put little oil and make your pot hot. And then you get toast. Just oil and let it hot. See? So pretty way, Baba. Yeah. You see, no time. Not even 1 minute. Yeah, man. Natural way, eh? Faster than a toaster, brother. You just throw some oil in your pot and hot up your and make your pot really hot. Then you get toast. And then after you get egg and tomato, pear, bush tea. Man. And lots of people that they maybe the whole day, so they cooking or try to make breakfast. They can't make it so fast. That's what we do, man. Pot really sharp too, you know. Better man when guests come here, you know, and I do it like this, you know. All fried eggs, all toast. Right. Now it's finished. This is the kind of breakfast I prepare for the guests them all the time in the morning and them really love it. Yeah. So right now what we're gonna do now, you're gonna see what go on. Wait first. The plate then, can them come? Get them come to me. You see the little knife? Yeah, a plastic knife like. Nothing don't carry the cup them yet.
Which one?
Give me them, see me, give me them.
Which one? The grill knife? Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Give me them. Yeah, nice. That's something I always set it up, man. Sandwich it, you know. Get something to eat. Nice. Hey, can I pear they come?
Yeah.
This is pear, you know. Avocado, you know. Pear. Yeah, this pear. Yeah. People love it. It's a good something. Clean you up. Pear. Free up your system. Yeah, this is a pear. See? You cut it and peel it, you know. It just don't work out like that. We like, oh, see? This is pear. Come on. The maker, that's the seed. No, the seed we go back up plant. Come out there. Next time, you eat this, you eat the pear, you plant the seed. Yeah. Okay. Move. Eat that. This is it. The boat land. Yeah, man, the boat land. It's the breakfast, the boat land, man. Yeah, man.